The much-anticipated CHAN 2025 draw is currently underway at KICC Nairobi. The tournament, which was to be held in February, was postponed to August this year and will be co-hosted by the three East African nations of Uganda, Tanzania and Kenya. Harambee Stars, placed in Group A, will be knowing who they will face in August tournament. Let's take a look.
Asante sana. Hassan.
Yeah.
The Cranes are in Group C. First of all, in your illustrious career, have you played against any of those teams, and what are your thoughts about the Cranes' chances in that particular group?
I've played most of the teams in our group, but all I can say, Uganda, we are ready. We have been waiting for a very long time to host this beautiful tournament, and trust me, it's staying in East Africa.
Yeah. A big round of applause. Thank you very much to our legends. Thank you very much. Of course, I'm in the presence of great footballers who are very vital in football in Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, what an amazing evening it has been so far. An evening of pomp and color, perhaps indicative of what to expect in August. A special word of thanks to the heads of states of the three nations, Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. Thank you to the CAF president, the CAF family, the football legends. I would like to take this opportunity to wish all the participating teams all the best. And despite the number of teams and the groups that look difficult, you know what they say, to be the best, you have to beat the best.
Well, to be the best, you have to beat the best. We look forward to CHAN 2025 as well right here.